Let's replace this bad capacitor on this 20-year-old unit. It was the first day of summer in Arizona and we got our first no cooling call. I was surprised because I thought it was going to be the compressor as the homeowner stated she had heard a loud bang. In the end, it was just a bad capacitor. The repair was a simple swap and I got the unit running in no time. In Arizona, most companies will try to push for a new install even if your unit still has some life left in it. These big companies are after big profits, so it's in their best interest to replace. Just remember, at HVAC Task Force, we will never force you to replace your unit. If you want to fix it, we will fix it.